Hello students, welcome to class 9 maths. Let's see the exercise 6.2 introduction. Trigonometric ratios of some special angles. We are going to see the values of some special angles. So you know the trigonometric ratio sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. And you are going to learn the values for 0 degree, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degree. So first number take it as 0 and second one 1 by 1/4 and then off, then 3/4, then last one is 1. Now take the square root for all this number. Therefore the square root of 0 is 0. The square root of 1 by 4 is, square root of 1 is 1, square root of 4 is 2, and square root of 1 by 2 is, square root of 1 is 1, root 2 is root 2, and then square root of 3 is root 3 by 4 is 2, and then square root of 1 is 1. Then cos theta, you have to write the reverse order of the sin theta. So reverse order is 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. Then tan theta means numerator of the sin theta and numerator of the cos theta, you have to write it out. So numerator of sin theta is 0. 0 by 1 is 0. And here numerator of 1 by 2 is 1 and numerator of root 3 by 2 is root 3. And numerator is 1. Here also 1. So 1 by 1 is 1. And root 3 by 1. Root 3 by 1 is 1. And 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means not defined. Cosec is the reciprocal of the sin theta. So reciprocal of the sin theta is 0 by 1 is 1 by 0. By 0 means not defined. And 1 by 2 is 2 by 1, which is equal to 2. 1 by root 2 is root 2 by 1. Root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. And then 1 by 1 is 1. Next, sec theta is the reciprocal of the cos theta. So 1 by 1 is 1. Root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. Then 1 by root 2 is root 2 by 1, which is equal to 1. And 1 by 2 is again 2 by 1, which is equal to 2. Then 0 by 1 is 1 by 0. By 0 means not defined. Then cot theta is the reciprocal of the tan theta. So 0 by 1, that means 1 by 0 not defined. So you have to take the reciprocal 0. If no number is there in the denominator, you have to assume as 1, 0 by 1. So if you take 0 by 1, the reciprocal is 1 by 0. By 0 means not defined. So 1 by root 3 is root 3. 1 by 1 is 1. Root 3 by 1 is 1 by root 3 and 0. Now let's move to exercise. Verify the equality. Sin square 60 degree by cos square 60 is equal to 1. Substitute the value of sin 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Therefore, root 3 by 2 the whole square plus cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Therefore, 1 by 2 the whole square, which is equal to 1. Root 3 into root 3 is 3 by 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1 into 1 is 1 by 2 into 2 is 4. As a denominator are same, directly you have to add the numerator. Therefore, 3 plus 1, which is equal to 4 by 4. If you cancel in 4 table 1 time. Therefore, 1 is equal to 1. Verified. Second question, cos 90 degree is equal to, second question, cos 90 degree is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square 45 is equal to 2 cos square 45 minus 1. So first cos 90. Cos 90 is 0. 1 minus 2 into sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Therefore 1 by root 2 the whole square, which is equal to 2 into again sin 45 is 1 by root 2 the whole square minus 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So if you cancel 2 and 2, 1 minus 1. Again 2 into 1 into 1 is 1 by root 2 into root 2 is 2. So in 2 table, 2 ones are 2 ones are. So 1 minus 1. 0 is equal to 1 minus 1, which is equal to 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Answer is 0. Hence verified. Now third question, 1 plus tan square 30 degree is equal to 6 square 30 degree. 1 plus tan square 30 degree is 30 is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 the whole square is equal to sec 30 is 2 by root 3 the whole square. So 1 plus 1 into 1 is 1. Root 3 into root 3 is 3, which is equal to 2 into 2 is 4 by root 3 into root 3 is 3. So if you see here, in between plus sign is there and denominator are different. Take the common denominator and cross multiple into 3 into 1. So 1 3s are 3 plus 1, which is equal to 4 by 3. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 by 3. Hence verified. Fourth question, do as homework. We'll move to the second Roman number. Find the value of tan 45 by cosec 30 degree plus sec 60 by cot 45 minus 5 sin 90 by 2 cos 0. So you have to substitute the value of tan 45. Tan 45 is 1. So 1 by cosec 30 is 2. 1 by 2 plus sec 60. Sec 60 value is 2 by cot 45 is 1 minus 5 into sin 90 is 1 by 2 into cos 0 is 1, which is equal to 1 by 2 plus 2 by 1 minus 5 by 2. Now take the common denominator 2. So 2 table 1 time, 1 into 1 is 1 plus 1 table 2 times 4 and into 2 table 1 time. Therefore 5 minus 5 by 2 is equal to 0. So the value of first sum is 0. Next question, sin 90 plus cos 60 plus cos 45 into sin 30 plus cos 0 minus cos 45. So sin 90 value is 1 plus cos 60 is 1 by 2 plus cos 45 is 1 by root 2 into sin 30 is 1 by 2 plus cos 0 is 1 minus cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So simplify this value first. So if you take common denominator for 1 and 2 is 2, and in one table 2 times, 2 table 1 time, therefore 1 2s are 2 plus 1 1s are 1 plus 1 by root 2 into, again the common denominator is 2, in 2 table 1 time and 1 table 2 times, so 1 plus 2 minus 1 by root 2, which is equal to 3 by 2 plus 1 by root 2 into 3 by 2 minus 1 by root 2. So if you see this one, 3 by 2 and 3 by 2 is common, 1 by root 2 and here also 1 by root 2 is there. So, and in between plus and minus. So the identity is a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So a is equal to 3 by 2 and b equal to 1 by root 2. So a value is, you have to substitute the value of a in the place of a square, that is 3 by 2 the whole square, and b value is 1 by root 2 the whole square, which is equal to 3 into 3 is 9 by 2 2s are 4 minus 1 into 1 is 1, root 2 into root 2 is 2. So if you take the common denominator is 4, in 4 table 1 time, in 2 table 2 times, so 9 minus 4, which is equal to 5 by 4. Then third one, sin square 30 degree minus 2 cos cube 60 degree plus 3 tan power 4 45. So substitute the value of sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 the whole square minus 2 into cos 60 is 1 by 2 the whole cube plus 3 into tan 45 is 1 whole power 4. 1 into 1 is 1 by 2 into 2 is 4 minus 1 into 1 into 1 is 1 by 2 into 2 is 4, 4 2s are 8 plus 3. So if you cancel this one in 2 table 1 time, 4 time. So 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 3. So if you cancel minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is 0. Your answer is plus 3. Third question, verify cos 3a is equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a when a is equal to 30 degree. So you have to substitute the value of a in the place of a. Therefore cos 3 into 30 degree is equal to 4 into cos cube 30 minus 3 cos 30. So cos 3 into 3 is 9 and 0 90 degree equal to 4 cos cube 30 degree minus 3 cos 30 degree. Now cos 90 is 0 is equal to 4 into cos 30 is root 3 by 2 the whole cube minus 3 into cos 30 is root 3 by 2, which is equal to 0 4 into root 3 into root 3 is 3. See here, root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3. 3 into root 3 is equal to 3 root 3 by 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 minus 3 root 3 by 2. Then in 4 table 4 1s are 4 2s are. 0 is equal to 3 root 3 by 2 minus 3 root 3 by 2, which is equal to 0. Hence verified. Fourth question, find the value of 8 sin 2x cos 4x sin 6x when x is equal to 15. So you have to substitute the value of 15 in the place of x. 8 sine 2 into 15 into cos 4 15 sine 6 15. 2 15s are 30. 4 into 15 is 60 cos 60 degree into 6 into 15 is 90 sine 90 degree. So 8 into sine 30 is 1 by 2 into cos 60 is 1 by 2 into sine 90 is 1. So here if you cancel, 2 ones are 2 fours are. Again with 2 table, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So your answer is 2 into 1 is 2.